Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm all dolled up, but my hair is a disaster. It's a hair video and I'm really excited because I got my hands on a Dyson Airwrap. The story, I got it for my mom for Christmas. Cut to January, February, everyone's losing their minds. It's going viral and I'm like, okay, I kind of want one for my mom, and my mom's not using hers and I'm annoyed. Here she is, you guys know what it looks like. I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna go in with the brush attachment first to detangle the hair. Okay, that was like seconds, and look at the difference. Undone, like days old side. Look how smooth, bouncy, shiny. Here's what it looks like with the blowout complete. It looks so freaking nice. Like, it really made the blowout look fresh. Very sleek. It added some volume as well, but this is just a regular brush and it looks so pretty. So now I want to use the round brush attachment. Look at that! Excuse me? This is crazy. It's like instant. What? I'm shook. I'm gonna look up some videos to see like if there's anything I need to know so I can get it real voluminous. My hair is long and I only have one layer. I have to get a haircut. I want to get some long layers, but anyway, yeah, I only have one layer, so I'm not gonna get like a super Farrah Fawcett style, but I definitely want the volume, the juiciness. Okay, I watched some TikTok videos and I feel like I pretty much know what I'm doing here, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. You know what, maybe we should try the curling barrel since I already did this. Should So this is the final look with the round brush. So pretty. It's very polished, very bouncy blowout. So now I'm gonna switch to one of the curling barrels. I'm gonna use one of the smaller ones because I have long hair and it's, you know, it's not super thick, but it's somewhat thick and I don't really have layers. So to get a good kind of curl, I'm gonna need something a little bit small. Okay, so what I did wrong was I didn't turn it off before I took the curl out. How pretty is that? I'm gonna leave it. Even though we did the cool setting, I just wanted to set a little bit more before I brush it all out. And who doesn't love that, like, reveal after you brush it all out? I will say I am noticing if you have long hair, it can be a little difficult. Okay, so here are what the bottom pieces look like. So pretty. Definitely giving curl and body. Because my hair is long, like I said, and I don't have layers, it's gonna be harder to get a lot of volume. Pretty, and it's so bouncy and shiny. It's not as voluminous, but I also have, you know, very soft hair, so it's not gonna be as, you know, juicy and big as someone with like shorter thicker hair, I guess. I think with practice, this is gonna be the new fave, because the bounce, the shine, the way it looks, I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm obsessed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you're gonna buy it. I'll leave the link for it down below. Have payment plans so you don't have to pay for it up front. I think with practice, this is definitely gonna be my new favorite. I use my Revlon blowout brush like you guys saw. I have the original and then I have the new version that I don't like. I've been using the original and I love it for like a simple, clean, quick blowout. It does not leave my hair bouncy like this with body and like shine. It just doesn't do that. So I feel like this is definitely gonna be my new go-to. And let me know if you guys want me to do another video where I do my hair like straight from the shower when it's wet, because obviously I already, you know, had an old blowout and I feel like it's gonna be different on completely wet hair. But I really love it. Like, I think it looks so bodacious and shiny. Yeah. Bye guys, love you, stay glam. Te amo.